Hydraulic cylinder service, parts and repairs. Willetton, WA. Supplying a niche market in the hydraulic cylinder repair industry, this business offers strong growth potential. Run by the founders since 2002, the business is suited to a keen fitter machinist with some management experience. A partnership would help increase capacity, or it could be a lucrative add-on for an existing business. Comprising both machining and fitting shops, repairs are carried out in-house, with chroming requirements subcontracted out. Specialised services include hydraulic cylinder repairs, upgrades, modifications, manufacture, general machining and honing. The sale comes with extensive assets, including a Photon truck, Toyota Hilux, forklift, overhead crane, machinery and much more. In years 2017 to 2019, with a full team of staff in place, turnover reached over $800,000 and could do so again. The buyer could take this business to the next level through increased marketing, add-ons, or pursuing work in the mining industry. The rapidly growing city of Perth is attracting many new residents and businesses, with the government investing in its future.